Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the PIN on an Android phone. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen and swipe up to open the app drawer. From here, tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Lock Screen. At the top of this section, select Screen Lock and Biometrics. You will be asked to enter your current PIN or password. Go ahead and enter it to continue. Once you're in, you'll see several options. Here, tap on PIN if you want to set a new one. Now enter your new PIN and tap Continue. You'll need to confirm the new PIN one more time. Then tap Continue again. Once that's done, your PIN will be successfully changed. And that's it. Now you know how to change the PIN on your Android phone. You can lock your screen and unlock it using your new PIN.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.